signature dish. What's so special is the sauce. Coffee powder, coffee essence, sugar, honey, and apple jam. The coffee culture in Singapore is very strong. We grew up with that kind of aroma. That is very close to heart. Not too bitter, not too sweet. I think it's a good ratio.
The espresso martini that we use is actually with tequila reposado. So first we have the tequila, agave nectar, a little bit of vanilla. Finally we have the espresso. We wanted to add some coffee techniques to it as well. So we use a cold brew method. We use roasted cacao nibs to infuse into the tequila reposado. Our coffee beans are from a local roaster. Coffee is something where you need so much technique and so much knowledge for one ingredient. Having one of the oldest coffee shops right across my shop is amazing. They are always on point. It's also a habit and a routine, and we want to be that kind of space.
Coffee pork being a very non-traditional dish is also to showcase of the diversity of zichar. Our generation value what has been passed down. We also need to create something else because we want to tell the world we are evolving as a young nation.